Hey, it's Gina with WTI. When I go camping, I want to be able to cook on something that is efficient and has room to accommodate multiple things at the same time and is easy to operate. This two burner camp stove that I got from Cofiyard has ticked all of those boxes, and I'm so impressed with how well it works. First off, I love that the ignition is right on the temperature knob. So it's just like lighting the burner on a stove at home. You just simply turn it all the way to on and then one more click, boom, and it lights up. It's awesome. You don't have to worry about pressing an additional button or anything like that. Secondly, this is so efficient. It's 20,000 BTU with the combined burners. This will boil water so quickly, get your food heated up or fried or whatever it is you're doing very efficiently. Thirdly, look at this design. I absolutely love it. There's so much room in between the burners, but it still folds up in a way that doesn't take up a lot of space. I mean, this is awesome. So the next time you have to camp, don't leave home without this Cofiyard burner. You're going to love it as much as we have, and that's our point of view.